to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in.
Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be swapping out the handlebars on the chopper. So what I got on there right now is some 16-inch ape hangers, as you've seen before. What I'm going to be putting on, what you see on screen, is the lane splitter handlebars from TC Bros. They're 1-inch handlebars with a 9.5-inch rise to them, and they're a little bit more flush. And what I mean by that is a little more T-bar kind of style, less pullback, more forward. So it's going to give me the ability to reach forward a little bit, right? My arms are longer, and the ape hangers cause my arms to bend and break a little bit, and my wrist to kind of, like bend at an uncomfortable angle. So you can see me up on the bike now, and it's just very much like upwards, bent at my elbows, wrist. It doesn't feel very comfortable. It doesn't give me good angles on the bike. So to kind of combat that, what I'm going to do is swap out the handlebars. So put you on time lapse, and I'm going to let you see it, and we're going to get right into it. So we'll see when it's done.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be and if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be
scared. Alright, so we got the handlebars here. And yeah, so they look good on the bike, I think. They're much shorter. Obviously all my cables and stuff like that are long, and they're meant for the 16-inch handlebars, so eventually I'll have to change that out if I decide to stick with these bars permanently. But just like choppers, who knows, I might swap them out. So but for right now, they're on there, and yeah, they look pretty good. I think they give a aggressive stance to it. They give a little bit of character and attitude to the bike. So but yeah, that's what they look like. So I'll be getting on it right here in this portion, and just kind of showing you the difference, right? So my arms are much more in line with my shoulders, just slightly above, but much more comfortable. My wrists are not broken, and by broken I mean bent. I'm not like hunched over a little bit. The new seat, which check out the other video on my channel about the seat, but it also sits me back. So with me being sit back more, my arms in a better angle in relation to my shoulder, it's much more comfortable riding style. I took on a pretty long ride, and I thought it was fantastic. I can put pressure on the handlebars where I need to. It's comfortable. Keeps me embedded into the bike, gives me a little bit of forward lean, which no windshield. Very nice for the freeway riding. So yeah, so it looks good. I obviously I'll have to move some of the cables around and stuff, but that's like the fine-tuning aspect of it. So yeah, I think it's overall it's a good look for the bike. I'm excited about it. I took it on a long ride, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. So these are the handlebars. Much more comfortable seating position for me. You're getting kind of towards the end of the bike build, right? I'm pretty much done with it, other than like nitpick stuff. I think I got the look I wanted, that old school chopper Springer front end, kind of easy rider vibe of like long, linear, right? And classic styling. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I'll keep making videos on the chopper because choppers always break and choppers always need improvement, but pretty much this is the bike, and I think it looks fantastic. So please tell me what you think of the bike, and go check out all the other videos on my channel. Yeah, so if you'd like to see here, you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.